Hi, I'm Ken Madden. Welcome back to the Goldstrike video installation series. Today I'm going to show you how to install our grips. They go right over the stock Honda heated grips and are designed to transfer heat. Even with them on in the coldest days, you'll still have that heat transfer through. Very simple installation, only takes a few minutes. So let's take a look at them. When we started designing parts for the Goldwing, after riding it quite a bit, we found that the grips, the stock grips, leave a lot to be desired. They're not great looking. They work, the heat works fantastic, but I know we found them a little bit narrow, especially down towards the end here where your hand can really wrap around, and it wasn't as comfortable as it possibly, even with gloves. So we developed our new grips to go over this, but we didn't want it to be like holding a baseball bat, so we did make them hug this, but just give you a little extra grip and a little extra protection while still allowing all of the heat to come through. So let me show you how you put them on. They're very, very easy. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the dampener on the end, and then we're going to clean the grip. So that's simply done by just unscrewing the screw on the end here. It's just a regular Phillips screw. It's quite long, but that'll remove your dampener, just like that. Then you want to clean thoroughly this grip, get any hand grease or wax or anything you have on there, because when we put the new ones on, you don't want them to slide. So I'm using an ammonia-based cleaner. I recommend something like that, especially get underneath. Make sure it's all good. So with that, we're on to the next step. Here's the grip assembly. You can see the two rubbers that are in here. One has the Goldstrike logo like this, the other one does not. You can place them on however you'd like. The rubbers are interchangeable from one side to the other, so however you'd like to do it. Today we're going to do it with the Goldstrike logo up, showing, and these just simply place on like this. And then there's a screw underneath each piece of rubber here, and those will hold that together, and the end cap will hold it together here. The first step is to peel the adhesive backer off. You just kind of carefully pull that out and place that up there, and this will kind of hold it in place. I like to keep the centerpiece about level with the ground. That looks the best and it works the best. Again, here's our second piece. And then place that down over the other one. And then firmly squeeze that. Now those aren't going anywhere. They're already nice and tight on there. And once you get that on like that, then we'll move on to putting the screws in, which I'll show you here in a sec. Alright, the grips are on. They're firmly on there. Next, underneath here, in here, these two little corners, we'll peel that up, and there is a hole for an Allen screw. This is a 2.5 millimeter is what you're going to need. Kind of just poke that in there, and right there's a hole. So be able to get in there and put our Allen screws in, and that'll hold the two halves together. Put those together quick. I like to put one in loose and then put the other one in and then tighten them both. And then what I'll do is I'll peel this back and tighten each one. You just have to get them snug. You don't have to get them super hard and tight. Snug is all you need. Now the next thing and the last thing is the end cap. So you have the end cap, and you'll have, again, a really small little screw. The end cap simply goes on there like this. just thread the bolt in. There it is. That's all there is to it. It's a very quick installation. It's really easy to do, and it looks great. Yeah, see that feels a lot better now. A little more beef to it. Easier to grab onto. Heat still comes through just great. Now that you got them on there, I'd say it's time to go for a ride. Easy installation, a few minutes, just like you saw, and hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful for you. If you did enjoy this, be sure to like and subscribe this, and you'll see more videos. There's a bell there to hit for notifications, so when new videos come out, you'll be the first to know. And so go ahead and hit those, and we'll see you in the next video.